Focus and get you some updates coming in from the city of Mumbai, which remember has seen at least 155 new cases that has been reported over the past 24 hours. The total number of COVID-19 cases in the city of Mumbai has crossed the 3,000 mark. Now, it is one of the worst cities to be affected in the state of Maharashtra, with more than 3,000 cases that have now been reported and 138 deaths that have been reported from the city of Mumbai. Meanwhile, the Mumbai civic body BMC has said that about 1,000 new cases were added in just 4 days. Additionally, Mumbai, remember, has been the worst affected in the state of Maharashtra. While there are certain additional measures being taken, the containment zones are also being constantly monitored, and a strict vigil currently is being kept on all the containment zones and the hotspots that have been identified in the city of Mumbai. Let me go across to my colleague Disha for further updates on this. Disha, this is of course quite concerning because Mumbai has been the worst affected at this point. All right, we'll try and reconnect with Disha in just a bit. But remember, this is currently extremely worrying. But right now, we are looking at additional measures that the BMC has also taken to further contain the situation in the light of at least 3,000 cases that have been reported from the city of Mumbai itself. Let me go across to Disha for further updates on this. Disha, this is of course worrying, but there are additional measures that the BMC has taken in the light of the rising cases in the city of Mumbai. First of all, tell us, which are the districts that are worst affected when it comes to the COVID-19 cases in the city of Mumbai, and what steps have been taken?
Well, if we talk particularly about Mumbai, which is the largest, of course, city, and what we know that now it has crossed the 3,000 figure mark, Apurva. More than 3,050 positive cases have been reported now in the city of Mumbai. And if we talk about Maharashtra particularly, the total tally has gone up to 4,666 positive cases, which essentially means if you see Mumbai has the maximum cases. And keeping this in mind, there are certain precautions and measures that have been taken by the BMC in concern. For instance, the BMC has identified 721 containment zones. Yes, Apurva, these are the highest number of containment zones that have been identified in any city across the country here possible. 721 containment zones is what we understand, which essentially means that people's movement have been completely restricted in these zones, and more than 1 or 2 positive cases have been found in all of these areas in concern. If you talk particularly about Mumbai, in between Mumbai, there are 3 specific areas that have reported maximum number of positive cases. First, of course, if we talk about Worli, Prabhadevi and Lower Parel areas, they have reported over and about 300 cases is what we understand till date as we speak. Then followed by Baikala, which has reported over and about 195 positive cases. And if we talk about Dharavi, which the authorities have been doing door-to-door thermal screening, more than 165 positive cases have been reported so far. So as far as on the ground level is concerned, specifically Dharavi is a huge challenge here, because BMC's screening total 10 lakh population, and out of that, of course, we are seeing every day cases being increased over and about 30. We have also seen that no relaxation has been given by the Mumbai Municipal Corporation here, except for the public works construction, because we know that the monsoon is just around the corner in 1 month from now. So we are looking, of course, at road repair works and laying of road works. But apart from that, keeping in mind the rising number of cases, no relaxation has been given in the city of Mumbai.
All right. So, Disha, the 3 main areas which are worst affected in the city of Mumbai, which includes Worli, Lower Parel, Prabhadevi, Baikala, Mazgaon, Agripada, and also the Dharavi, which has reported at least 168 cases. Now, what are the measures that have been put in place, especially in these areas which have reported high number of cases? And also, what is the status of the testing capabilities at this point?
Well, if we talk particularly about all of these three specific areas, Apurva, what we know that these areas have been declared as red zone areas here in the city of Mumbai, which essentially means that people have been asked only to stay indoors. They do not really even have to step out to buy groceries for that matter. They have been provided groceries by the BMC here in concern. As far as testing capabilities are concerned, even as we speak, the testing is going on. For instance, like I pointed out, Dharavi, where 10 lakh population is being currently door-to-door screened to ensure that if there are any symptomatic patients, then immediately they are being tested, their swabs are being sent for testing purposes, and as soon as their test results come, they are being taken for treatment. As far as in Dharavi is concerned, over and above 45,000 people have been screened so far, out of which we have found 168 positive cases, and remaining 120 samples have already been sent for testing purposes. And even as we speak, the testing continues. Mumbai still has not received any rapid testing kits per se. So that is why whatever testing kits are available by the government and the BMC, they are doing with that is what we understand. The rapid testing kits have been delayed because of the logistics issue is what the BMC is telling us. So we will of course have to wait for that to arrive in Mumbai. But as far as all of these three areas are concerned, largely it remains the contained area. It remains a red zone area where the people's movement is completely restricted.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates. With that,